Mastering time travel in English, using when for specific times. Hello language explorers, and welcome to our journey into the depths of English language learning. Today, we are going to tackle an interesting topic from the realm of defining relative clauses. We will focus on how to use when to refer to a specific point in time. This tool will help you express your thoughts clearly, connect ideas smoothly, and add more detail to your English conversations. Before diving into our main topic, it's important to quickly refresh our understanding of relative clauses. A relative clause is a type of subordinate clause that allows us to provide additional information about something without starting a new sentence. In our case, when is a relative pronoun we use specifically for times. For example, look at this sentence. Do you remember the day when we first met? Here, when we first met, is the relative clause providing more information about the day. Now that we've brushed up on relative clauses, let's delve into the use of when for specific times. When is used to indicate a specific point in time or a moment something occurred. Consider these examples. I was just a kid when I moved to New York. It was the moment when I realized I was in love. In both examples, when is used to specify the exact time something happened. One of the amazing applications of when in English is its power to make storytelling more engaging. When you're recounting an event or narrating a story, you can use when to highlight significant moments, creating a vivid image in the listener's mind. Here's an example. The sun was setting when I finally reached the peak. That's when I saw the most beautiful view I've ever seen. See how the use of when helps paint a more detailed picture of the situation. And that's our time travel journey for today. I hope this video has helped you understand how to use when to refer to specific points in time. Keep practicing these structures, incorporate them in your daily conversations, and watch your English fluency grow. Until next time, keep exploring and happy language learning.